Milestones of Kadiravan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, KVR Nagar, Tirupur. During the academic year 2021-2022, on June 6th, on account of World Environmental Day, state-level drawing competition was conducted by DMK Environmental Wing, in which 4 of our students won state-level special prize. Moreover, on 19 June, Puzzles and Riddles competition conducted by Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore, our 11th standard students Gopika and Chinmay participated and received certificates. On 21st June, International Yoga Day was celebrated through online. On Diamond Independence Day Festival, we honored frontline warriors and distributed prizes for the students who won on Ritual Independence Day competitions. On 30th August, Sri Krishna Jayanti was celebrated. On Krishna Jayanti, our kids fascinated the day by online competitions like dance, music, fancy dress, art and craft. September 5th, Teachers' Day was celebrated by our kids enacting their favorite teachers. On Vinayaka Chaturthi, our kids performed wonderful competitions through online. September 23rd, National Naval Workshop on Traditional Art like Madhubani was conducted by Rama Rajesh Palette School of Fine Arts. On Gandhi Jayanti, our students enacted and delivered speech on Mahatma Gandhiji. During the month of October, Navaratri Golu was celebrated. On October 15th, Vidyarambam ceremony held in our school for Vijayadashmi admission. We celebrate Children's Day in remembrance of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru by performing fancy dress, dance, silambam, skit and elocution and distributed prizes to honor the children. We regularly conduct free eye camp with Eye Foundation for the students and parents' benefits. We conducted free dental screening camp for our children in association with Dr. Kishore Kumar on December 2nd and 3rd. December 15th was Food Carnival. Good food, good mood. Emphasized the values of traditional food. December 17th, a program on conservation of nature, bird and environment by Rotarian K. Ravindran, who encouraged our students to observe nature, enjoy nature and preserve nature. On December 21st, Sir C.V. Roman Science and Astronomy Club was inaugurated by Mr. Uma Shankar, Tamil Nadu Science Forum. December 2021, Merry Christmas was celebrated with Santa Claus, sharing fun, love and happiness with students and parents. Stepping on 2022 January, Community Pongal was celebrated with variety of pongals and various traditional dances. January 26th, 73rd Republic Day celebration by flag hoisting and virtual events by our kids. 27th January is Founders Day. On the event of 2nd Remembrance Day ceremony, books worth Rs 5,000 were donated to General Library at Park Road, Tirupur have been received by Mr. Karthikeyan and Mr. Dharmaraj. In Swami Vivekananda Jayanti Inter-School Competition on essay writing, drawing and motivational quotes, 2 of our students won overall first and second prize. In the Reasoning Contest 2022, conducted by Johnson Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, 3 of our students are eligible to get scholarship for higher education. On February 13, a career guidance program exclusively for 9th standard to 12th standard students aiming to the top. Special address by Mr. Karthikeyan, Shankar IAS Academy, Chennai. On 3rd March, V. Kritik 3rd standard won 2nd place in 7th state level karate competition. On 5th March, we had a Science Expo, a platform for exhibiting the innovative science experiments by KG to 12th standard bloomers. Pride of our school, Discovery School Super Super League by Byju's conducted a quiz competition for 23,000 schools in 29 states and 1 union territory. Out of 60 lakh students in round 1, qualified only 54,000 students shortlisted for round 2, by which our school 3 students, Ovia Shri 4th standard, Deepak Chellaya 5th standard and Manikandan qualified successfully. On account of World Forest Day and World Water Day, we arranged a field trip for 11th standard and 12th standard to Chinnaru Wild Sanctuary along with Environmental State Convener Kovai Sathasivam. In the field of sports, on 22nd March, our football team is the winner in state level tournament under 17. Hariharan of class 11, hat-trick goal winner, is the player of the match. On April 4, our football team under 13 got runner-up in state level football match. Our student Santosh Kumar of grade A won the player of the tournament. KG Sports Day was conducted to cherish our kindergarten kids. Daily prayer activities enlighten the young minds. Our school provides extracurricular activities such as karate, yoga, silambam, spoken English and calligraphy. By the middle of May, triple ceremony have been celebrated consecutively, namely Mother's Day, Graduation Day and Sports Day. On 24th April, a special Padapuja had been done by our students for their parents. Excellence in academic. 10th and 12th standard got state rank, securing 590 out of 600, 498 out of 500, 497 out of 500 and 1180 out of 1200. Kadiravan Matriculation Higher Secondary School provides world-class education by joining hands with LEAD, our academic partner. Admissions opens for pre-KG to 12th standard. For further details, contact 92620 46040 and 90251 26656. Thank you.